Use cases, recurring scraping. Welcome to Stalkit tutorials. In this video, I will show you some of the cool things you can do with the recurring scraping jobs. I will show you how to set up to get email updates only on new data, how to set it up to clean the data before each run. I will use the scraper I've created in video number 13 that will scrape the scraper list from this Stalkit user. The reason I want to use it is because I control and add or edit data and show you how the email notifications work. First thing I want to do is edit the scraper. What we need to do is make this scraper run every minute instead of only once. This is very easily done by changing the select box to minutes and clicking on save. Now, let's go forward to the next settings and make the scraper to remove duplicates after it's done. This will tell the scraper not to send us notifications every time it scrapes the data, but only when there is new data or updates to current ones. Last thing I needed to set up are email notifications. Let's move to the fourth screen and enter the email where I want the data to be sent to. Furthermore, I will set up to get only new data. Otherwise, I will get each update for all the existing data as well. Let's clean the data and run this for the first time. The first time I run this, I will get all the data it scraped.
She's waiting for love to be realized.
Now, let's wait till it runs the scraper once again.
And hope that you'll take it into her side.
As you can see, I didn't get any emails because no new data was added, or anything changed. Now, since I'm scraping the scraper names, let's change the display name of the first scraper from Soccerway to Soccerway 2 and see what happens. I got a new email this time, and if I open it, you will be able to see that I got only one line instead of two with the data that was updated. How can we use this? Let's say I want to scrape my competitor e-commerce website, and you want to get alerts on new products. Let's use these two scrapers I've prepared. They are set to scrape product data from Walmart futons category. One scraper will collect all the item links, and the other one will collect data from the item pages using the links I've collected in the first scraper. I've ran this scraper once and saw it working fine and collected all the items in this category, but now I want to get email updates on new items. In order to achieve this, there are a few steps I need to follow. First, one is in the first scraper that collects the item's link. I will go to the second settings screen and will change here two things. First, I will tell Stalkit to remove duplicates after it completed every scrape cycle. The second one is to set it up to automatically run the second scraper after it's done using the run after settings. I will save this scraper and now go and edit the second one, and in this one, I will only set up the email alerts as I previously showed you. What will happen is that every time the first scraper will run, it will scrape all the item links, but will remove ones that are already in the list. Then the second scraper will run, But since the old ones are already marked as completed, it will run only on the new links that has been added, and together with the email settings of getting only new data, I will receive email alerts with just the new data. If I don't want to receive only new data but want to get, for example, a daily file with all the existing data, I can do that as well. In order to do that and not get the full history of items scraped from day one, I need to tell Stalkit to clean the data before it starts the work. This is also done in the second settings screen by changing this option to yes. That's it for this video. In the next video, video number 20, I will reveal to you some secrets on how to make your scraper run faster, find hidden APIs, and use some other cool things that Stalkit can do.